B129's. Yeah, boy. So it is a B129 carb. It needs a 140 main jet. So I'm just at a point where I have taken the carbs apart and I've got my technical specifications. And this is my horizontal cylinder, that's my vertical cylinder. And I'm just going to check the air screws. So according to this one, horizontal is 3. So that's the left hand one. But let's see what we get. Half, 1, half, 2, half, 2 and 3/4. We didn't quite get 3. 2.45, excuse my writing. Vertical cylinder on the right is supposed to be 3 1/4. Let's see what we got. Half, 1, half, 2, half, shoot. Same again. R6170, and for the Mikunis on the 900 I should be running a 140 jet, not a 70. These were frozen, so I couldn't actuate this. The flaps were absolutely stuck. They are still sticky, but more cleaning, I think, because inside, can you see that ring of, what do you want to call it, carbon? But look how clean they are. Yeah, the seals need replacing, I get that, because they're as flat as a pancake, yeah? They're incredibly clean. So a little bit of water ingress. This, let's see if I can find it. There you go. This one had quite a pinch in it, so only revealed when I removed the cap, and that pinch has moved itself back because they're fairly supple, but it's moved itself back into position, which is good. But that was pinched down like that. So from what I'm told, poor running. So yeah, sticky carbs aren't going to help. The carbon inside of them is strange given how clean the float bowls both are and how clean the jets are. And do you see how clean this is? Isn't that weird? I haven't cleaned them like that. I haven't cleaned the inside. I just clean the outside a little before the big clean. So you can see where I've got and where I haven't got. Why are they so immaculate? When it comes to jets and stuff like that, what I try and do is get a screwdriver that fits absolutely beautifully in the slot. And this one is the right width, but it's not locking onto my pilot. Oh, I need a smaller screwdriver. I didn't need a smaller screwdriver. There's something wrong with that jet. This one locked onto it a treat. And like I said before, I always try and line everything up. Here's our pilot. So that's a really good fit as well on the screwdriver. I love it. All right, pilot, let's have a look at you. Look how clean you are. Fresh. Are you blocked? No. Carb rebuild gone wrong, do you think? What could it be? Oh. 4-0, perfect. That corresponds with our, sorry, I'll zoom out, zoom back in. Our idle jet is a 40, but it looks like the main jets have been replaced for much smaller ones, but even smaller than the 600. Look, that only goes down to 132, and these are, what did I say they were? keep picking up the wrong bits. I'll just put it together wrong. 6370. Well, my little pilot buddy that doesn't want to come out. You do want to come out. I want to see you. But I guess somebody else has been there before me. This all smacks. What it does, doesn't it? It smacks of a carb rebuild gone wrong. Bike ran like shit afterwards. Was sold on. Then the new owners. Yeah, do you get it? Does it work? Then Andy's picked the bike up and he said to me that it ran like trash, low power or something. And I'm paraphrasing, and it only ran better when he put the choke on, so giving it less air and more fuel. It only ran a bit better with the choke on. Does that make any sense? Does that make any sense? I'm not going to get this pilot out, am I? We're going to see. I'm going to apply forward pressure and twist, but I'm going to need both hands. Let's see. Okay, that worked. By pushing down really, really hard and locking it in. Magic, I have my little pilot. And let's do the whole zooming in and make sure it's a 40. Watch for the numbers. Look at that, 40. And how is it? Oh, let's put it up to the light. Are you blocked? No. They are about as fresh as a daisy. And then, having to put it all back together with different jets. This was a complete nightmare, especially as there's oil feeds going into the bowls of the carbs and I have to replace their washers. What an absolute nightmare. Plus, you tried doing the throttle cables. Oh my God, can somebody else do this for me? And then I find that they're not good jets. So the jets I've put in there are not good or something goes wrong. And then I have to take this all apart again because the only way I'm going to know to get the coil packs on, I've got to put everything back together. So that's my predicament. I'm going to go factory. I'm going to put the factory jets in it and make it the bike it should be. I really do want to look after this motorcycle. And for any of you who are eagle-eyed watching this video, you'll see something happen there, and it is called a repair, and it's not perfect. The blue tape won't be there for long. All right, thank you for watching. I appreciate any feedback, positive feedback, and let me know where I've made my mistakes. Oh, they're going to get cleaned up. I want to take them off and clean them internally and make them so smooth. I am going to do that. It's going to be part of this job. Thank you all for watching. And there it is. It is the right carbs. It's the B129. Let's say it with slang like we know what we're talking about. It's the B129's. Yeah, boy.